Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have m to the power of 12 plus a m to the power of 8 is equal to 36, and we will solve this nice equation for the value of real values of m. Here you remember one thing is that here over m is belongs to r, and we can just solve this problem to the real values. Okay, so the very first thing we are going to do is, here I can write m to the power of 12 as m to the power of 4 and whole power 3, plus here we write m to the power of 8 as m to the power of 4 and whole power 3 is equal to 36. And after that we can just write this equation in simplified form, so that here I can take y is equal to m to the power of 4, so that this equation will becomes y cubed plus y squared is equal to 36. And after that, here you can focus on the right hand side, and in the right hand side you can see here 36, and we can just write this 36 as 27 plus 9, and after that we can write 27 as 3 to the power of 3, plus we can write this 9 as 3 to the power of 2. Okay, so you just here replace this 36 by 3 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 2, so that this expression will become y cubed plus y squared is equal to 3 cubed plus 3 squared. And after that we can just group the cubic term and squared term, so that now we can take this 3 to the power of 3 in the left hand side, so we get y cubed minus 3 cubed plus y square minus 3 square is equal to 0. Okay, so I can take these both term in the left hand side, and it will become in this form. So after that we will apply here the well-known cubic and the square identity, and you know that if we have a cubed minus b cubed, then it is equal to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. And similarly we have a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times of a plus b. So here I will apply these two formulas in order to solve our given equation, so that this expression will become in this form. Now we can apply first the cubic formula here, and we get y minus 3 into y square plus 3y and plus 3 square, and plus now we can apply here this formula, so we get y minus 3 into y plus 3 is equal to 0. And after that, here you can see here we take common y minus 3 from both of the terms, so we get y square plus 3y plus 9, and here you take common y minus 3 and we get y plus 3. So now we can solve this equation, and here we get y minus 3 is equal to 0, and now we can simplify this term and it is equal to 0. So here we get y square plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. So now here we have two cases, so that we can solve these two cases in order to find the values of m. so that in the first case we have y is equal to 3, and here we have y square plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. So now first I can solve this case, and here you have y is equal to 3, and in the start of the question we will take m to the power of 4 is equal to y. So now we can back substitute the value, and here we obtain y to the m to the power of 4 is equal to 3. And now in order to find the value of m, we will take the fourth root on both of the sides, so it will become m to the power of 4 whole power 1 over 4 is equal to 3 to the power of 1 over 4, and this 4 is gone, and here we obtain m is equal to we can write this in fourth root form, so it will write in that form. So this is the our one solution of the given nice equation. So in order to find the other solutions, we will move toward this case, and here we have the quadratic equation. Now first I will check is this quadratic equation gives us complex roots or real roots. So that here we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 12. So now I can use here delta. We have delta is equal to b square minus 4ac, and if our delta is less than 0, then we can say that our roots are complex or imaginary, and if this delta is greater than or equal to 0, then we can say that our roots are real. Okay, so now I can check here. So in the question statement we have a is equal to we have the values of a, b and c. Now we will substitute all the values of a, b and c in this data, and we get delta is equal to 4 square minus 4 times of 1 into 12, and we have 16 minus 36, so here we obtain minus 20, and this is less than 0, so we can say that our delta is less than 0, so our roots are complex, so that we will just neglect these roots, because here in the start of the question we will just deal we will just find here real roots. So here you have complex roots, so we will rejected this term, and we have only the solution, which is m is equal to 3 to the power 1 over 4. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.